weather walk, WX, Mr. Mac, practicing a little social distancing. I think David and I right now are about 8 feet apart, pretty distant from everybody else. But I had to come down to my local park because the weather right now is phenomenal. If you look out here towards the east, we have some wonderful cumulus clouds. And these are towering cumulus clouds. They are building. There's an influx of moisture bringing in orographic uplift and causing these nice little cumulus clouds. Those over here, David, we got some good cumulus over here. But if we look out towards the west, the orographic uplift is causing cumulonimbus clouds to form. It did get a little warm around, I would say around noon, 1 o'clock. I was out doing some yard work. Shoot, today is Monday. Monday what?
30th.
Monday the 30th and March 30th. It got warm around 1 o'clock doing yard work, and then the clouds just blew up. So let's see which way the wind is blowing. Yeah, the wind is blowing to the, I would say, southwest, which is exactly perfect. It's where these thunderstorms are, so that southwesterly wind is hitting the mountains, causing orographic uplift, pushing that moisture up, causing the towering cumulus clouds to full-fledged cumulonimbus these things. And if you notice, again, here, David, sit over there, so you can see what the wind direction is. I come here and look, the grass flows into the thunderstorms, which means the air is coming into the thunderstorms, which means these storms are actually moving this direction, okay? They're coming off the mountains and out of the eastern plains. It's perfect, it's textbook. You can see the base over here. And then just over to the right, to the north, you see the precipitation coming down off of this. This is one cell right here. And a little bit further to the south, you have another cell. And then it's really turbulent down by Colorado Springs. We have some thunderstorms. There's this line of thunderstorms just building off of the Front Range right now. Beautiful. This is it right here. It's thunderstorm season. Severe weather season. Now, after these thunderstorms pass, like I said, the wind is blowing into the storm because that updraft is filling the thunderstorms up to like 25, 30,000 feet. These storms will move off the mountains, and as they move east, the winds will shift. We'll actually feel the wind coming out of the thunderstorm because the updraft fuels the thunderstorm and the downdraft comes out of the thunderstorm. It's beautiful. Yeah. Woo! All right, what's going on, meteorology? Just thought I'd show you the surface map for March 31st. You can see that warm front over Nebraska and Kansas right there, associated with that low pressure system up to the north with that kind of weak dry line. That's what brought us that unstable weather for that day and those thunderstorms. So you can see that right there, that nice little system. And you see that high pressure system kind of over the Four Corners area. That's going to bring us the stable weather for the next couple of days. And then up north, you can see up in the Pacific Northwest, that system that's going to be moving in, bringing us the unstable weather moving into Thursday and Friday, that chance of precip. So I'll check in with you later. Peace. All right, what's up, meteorology? Here we are, March 31st, Tuesday, I think it is. Losing track of days. But yesterday we had some pretty good weather. I mean, some nice thunderstorms building up, orographic uplift. But today it's a little bit different. As you can see when you look in the sky, we have nice fair weather cumulus clouds, very little vertical development. I mean, you can see this guy right here. I mean, it's got a nice flat base there, poofiness on top, that guy out in the distance. But really, when you look at what's going on here, there's not much moisture to play with. So yesterday we had an influx of moisture due to a front. Gave us a little bit of sprinkling kind of here and there, kind of isolated thunderstorms. Today it's dried out, which is a sign that high pressure has moved in. So we got high pressure probably for a couple of days. And then I think we have some weather moving into, Tuesday, was Thursday. Another front comes in. So again, we're in that system, that low, that trough of low pressure, that ridge of high pressure, and that trough of low pressure. So trough of low pressure came in yesterday. We have a ridge of high pressure. And then coming in Thursday, we'll have another trough of low pressure, giving us some precipitation. So today is beautiful. It's in the 60s. Tomorrow will probably be about the same. We might see a little bit of cloudiness coming in later on in the day on Wednesday. But I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Beautiful day out. Hope you're enjoying it. Peace. All right, what's going on, Falcons? Got the surface map here for, look at that, Wednesday, April 1st. As you can see here, there's that kind of high pressure system sitting in there. We had really nice clear weather yesterday, and now we're moving into kind of that unsettled pattern. So you can see from my video, the nice, stable, high pressure. That moved in after the thunderstorms we had a couple days ago. And then we had a really nice day yesterday. And then today we're kind of moving into an unsettled weather pattern. It's still going to be nice. We're looking at some nice high temperatures into the 60s. But later today we'll see that system move in. You can see that system right now over Utah. And that high pressure kind of still sitting in Colorado, but it'll be moving out. You can see the system that gave us unsettled weather earlier this week has turned into a stationary front over Nebraska, Kansas, Arkansas, kind of in the Midwest. So hope you all are having a great week. Peace. All right, what's going on, y'all? Mr. Mac here. We got Bryce videoing today. Bryce, go and get there it is. Yeah, David's doing his work, and Bryce had a little break there, so different cinematographer, videographer today. But you just saw the surface map, and yesterday we had a really nice day on the 31st. Clear blue skies, really warm. It's gonna be warm again today. We have high pressure still, but we do have a little bit more cloudiness than we did. So Bryce, go ahead and get up here in the sky here. If you look out to the west area, we have some cirrus clouds, okay? Now as we look a little bit further up, we see some clouds here with a little bit of bumpy texture to it. Bryce, go and hit the sun for me. Now again, if you look at the sun, there's no halo. So we know that they're not high cirrus clouds. We see more of the rays coming out, and you can see the grayness of the clouds. So these are alto level clouds. So we have a little bit of alto cumulus kind of right above us, and some alto stratus out towards the sun and out towards the east there. So a little bit cloudier today shows us that the storm, that frontal system, is starting to push its way in. As you saw on the surface map, it's kind of starting to move its way in from Utah, Wyoming, into Colorado now. So as the day goes on, ooh, a little bit of wind. Yeah, there's no wind yesterday. So, ooh, let's see what direction the wind's coming from. It's coming from the south. So the southerly wind is dry, so which is typical right before a front moves in. Remember, counterclockwise motion around a low pressure system is going to bring in that dry air from the south, and as the front comes in, we'll get the cooler, more moist air from the northwest. So that's for this week. Enjoy the change in weather for your Thursday and Friday. Woo!